Hello everyone, this is Hair Tutorials with my hairstyle EXO. Before starting, I would really appreciate if you would subscribe my channel and click the thumbs up for this video. Thank you and welcome to my channel. I hope you will like what you see. In this video, I will show you how to braid to yourself 4-strand braid. In this video, I will use the middle of the braid, the pearls, but as well you can use the little braid, chain or small hair section. Before I start the braid, I hide the end of the pearls behind the small hair section. On the end of the pearls is small elastic, so it's easy to secure the place where I want. Next, take a piece of hair, including the pearls. Separate the pearls from the hair and then separate the hair section in 3 equal sections. With this braid, start braiding always from the side where you have 2 hair sections. So start by bringing the right strand over the next and under the pearl. Then bring the left strand under the next and over the middle. Right over the next, add some hair, and then the same strand under the middle one. Take the leftmost hair strand, bring it under, add some hair, and then over the middle. Right strand over the next, add some hair, and then bring the right strand under the middle one. Take the left hair strand, bring it under, add some hair, and over the middle one. Bring the right over, add hair, and then under the middle. If you want to leave some hair out of the braid, I suggest you to do it after a few stitches. After that, keep on braiding like before. So you repeat the pattern where you bring the right strand over and under, and then the left strand under and over. In this way, the braid will be on one side French braid and from the another side a Dutch braid. The middle strand stays all the time on the middle. If you want to pancake your braid, I suggest you to do it when you're about behind the ear. Pancaking the braid afterwards is much more harder than while you braid. Here's yet some closer view of this braid. Bring the right strand over the next and under the middle. Then left strand under the next and over the middle. Right over and under. Left under and over. At the end, secure the braid with an elastic. And here's the final result. Thank you for watching this video. Happy braiding!